In this video, I'm going to show you how to make simple and healthy barley soup. I'll be using some veggies and barley. Keep watching the video for some health benefits of barley. Firstly, soak 1/4 cup barley in 1 cup of water overnight or 3 to 4 hours. Boil the soaked barley in 3 cups of water until it's soft. Strain the barley stalk and keep aside for the soup. All the ingredients are mentioned in the description below. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan on a medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, add 1 small size chopped onion, and saute for a few seconds. Two tablespoons of grated or chopped carrot, and saute for a few seconds. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped beans, two tablespoons of chopped cabbage, and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Now add the barley stalk. Cook on high flame until it comes to a boil. Add some salt as per your taste and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Barley is loaded with beneficial nutrients. It helps boost your immune system, help lower your cholesterol, improves digestion, and it's great for weight loss. It keeps you full for longer period of time. It also controls blood sugar level and reduces blood pressure. Once the veggies are soft, add 2 tablespoons of boiled barley. Cook for a few minutes. Barley can be consumed in different ways. You can make barley khichdi, barley upma, or drink barley stock or water. Now add half teaspoon black pepper powder. Cook for a minute or so. Finally, add some coriander leaves. Serve hot and enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Do let us know if you have any questions or suggestions in the comment section below.